Hello everyone, welcome to 2021 from Olayemi Cooking. It has been a wonderful year. 2020 has been a great year and tough year too. So I just want to say thank you for so much for your love, your support throughout 2020. So welcome to 2021. So many recipes to come, so many good home recipes, snacks and salads to come. Do not forget to watch all of my recipe and thank you for supporting my channel and keep on supporting me, and I'd love to share more with you. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button on my channel so you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for your love and for your support to Olayemi Cooking channel. See you soon and welcome to 2021. Happy New Year.